Hello everyone, today we will see one of the best deck that you can use for Arena 9, and this is the deck, and let's play the game. You might not win 100% of the games, but you will win at least 90% of the games with this deck. So start with defending. It's better to defend first then attack, as you would be able to defend quite easily. Then you can push your wave for the destruction of the tower, enemy's tower. That would be quite great if you could build some army before attacking the enemy. So here comes our goblins. Goblins are quite great at doing the damage, and here we just dump the tombstone for P.E.K.K.A to get wrecked. Obviously there will be some situations when you will be out of elixir to defend yourself, but it is completely fine. You would be able to defend quite easily, and it is more about how you utilize this deck rather than having this deck. So just use it wisely and you would be able to win quite easily. And I'm dropping the witch from the back because this way I would be able to collect some skeletons to defend the witch by the time it reaches to the attack point. This enemy is doing back-to-back attacks and being aggressive, but we will be able to handle this one. Just maneuver the enemy troops and you would be able to defend quite well, and this way you would also be able to accumulate your army that will be going straight to the enemy towers and destroy them. And whenever you see a wizard, it is better to use the different throwables that can damage the wizard quite easily. And we just won this one. Now let's play some more games and see how this particular deck plays out. And let's see what we got over here. Sounds great, but it is a common card. And let's play some more games. It is better to defend in the beginning, so you get to see what the enemy plays and all their moves. You would be able to understand them quite easily if you defend in the beginning. And now let's build our attack. My net is not also working quite fine. There are some glitches and it is taking a while before my deck is getting played in this game. But let's see how this game goes. And here comes the meteor. And we just got one tower. Now let's move on with the another one. Wi-Fi is not working quite fine, but we are winning even with low connectivity. So now you know how good this deck is. And we won this one as well. Now let's move on and play one more game. And we are playing against Sherlock this time. Let's see how this game goes. And by the way, we are level 8 and the enemy is level 9. So we are playing against a better enemy this time. Let's see how this goes. Seems like enemy has a lot of cards that can be around 1 or 2 elixir. So the enemy is playing goblins way too much. Here comes the goblins, but we got the lightning. Going with Witch plus Tombstone is fine because you get a lot of skeletons to save your Witch. Otherwise, if you're playing just Witch, then it would be quite hard for your Witch to penetrate towards the enemy. Now we can play our goblins because enemy won't be able to attack us using the troops. See, enemy got a lot of goblin attacks of 1 or 2 elixir, and it would be quite easy to push if we got just 1 or 2 cards with high HP. We would be able to push our wave quite easily this way. Now here comes the goblins again. I think we will be able to win this match quite easily even though the enemy is stronger than us. My net is working pretty slow, that's why it is taking time for me to play the cards. we also lost a tower now, and we are equal. Let's see how this goes. This is getting interesting. I think we will win. And we are pushing our wave to the main tower of enemy, and here we go. We won against a better enemy with this deck. So this is absolutely great deck for the Arena 9. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. See you in the next one.